Hello CA Inter students. Law exam is over today. I am requesting you don't talk anything about law exam with your friends. Exam is over. You cannot do anything about it. Now let us start focusing on how to prepare direct tax exam for day after tomorrow on 10th. See, I have prepared list of chapters priority wise. Read direct taxation in this way sufficient. You will definitely qualify in January 26. First, prepare residential status. Question number 2A, always it is coming from residential status chapter. So first priority, read residential status. Then read set off of losses chapter. Every time question number 4A is coming from set off of losses chapter. Next, TDS and TCS. There are important sections 194C, 194I, 194J, 194R, 194H, 194M. Prepare these sections. Okay. So TDS and TCS very important. Question number 2B always coming from TDS and TCS chapter. Next, prepare return of income chapter. Every time question number 4B he is asking from return of income chapter. Okay, like ITRU, revised return, belated return. So from return of income chapter, every time one theory question comes, and that is from question number 4B. After you prepare these 4 chapters, then prepare total income adjustments. Whatever PGBP adjustments are there, I am going to do video on total income adjustments also. Most probably tonight only or tomorrow morning. Watch that video. I will cover all total income adjustments in that video. Okay, you can watch that video comfortably and you can go to the exam. Sufficient. So total income adjustments. Question number 1, you already know total income. It comes from total income. Next, there are 4 chapters: salaries, other sources, house property, capital gains. From these 4 chapters, question number 3A and question number 3B comes. Out of 4 questions, you need to write only 3 questions. Correct? So that's why first focus on this part. Residential status, set off of losses, TDS, TCS, return of income, total income adjustments. At least if you prepare all these chapters without choice, you can get complete questions in the exam. Last, study these 4 chapters also. Question 3A and 3B comes from these chapters. Okay, in this way, plan your preparation sufficient. For total income adjustments, I will be uploading the video. Watch it. It will be more than sufficient. Thank you. I wish you all the very best.